Okay, Ajay users. This is big. We are beyond thrilled to finally announce something we've been working on behind the scenes. AjeWallet is here. Yes, it's official. This is a huge step forward, and we're so excited to have you right here with us for the launch. Thank you for being part of the journey. Oh yeah, let's go! To access the AjeWallet, you need to go to your dashboard at task.ajecoin.io. Then, tap the menu button located in the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see the menu slide up from the bottom of the screen, and select the AjeWallet button labeled New from the list. You'll then be redirected to the AjeWallet page where you can create or restore a wallet. Currently, AjeWallet supports 13 languages, allowing you to select your preferred option from the language drop-down menu. Without further ado, let's create an AjeWallet. To get started, click the Create New Wallet button. Next, you'll land on a page showing your 12-word key phrase. Important. Please keep your key phrase secure. This is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose it, you will permanently lose access to your wallet. If a third party gains access to your key phrase, they will have full control of your wallet. Note: no member of the AjeCoin team will ever ask for your key phrase. We strongly recommend writing your key phrase down and storing it in a safe place, as screenshots alone are not secure and may be lost. Once you've done this, click the I've saved it, continue button. After this, you'll be taken to the confirmation page, where you'll be asked to enter 3 words from your key phrase. Successfully completing this step will take you to the pages for setting up your unlock PIN and transaction PIN respectively. And there you have it. Your wallet setup is now complete. This wallet interface is stunning and incredibly user-friendly. First, let me teach you how to send Ajay to another wallet. To do this, tap on the Send button. To send Ajay, enter the recipient's address in the Recipient Address field. Then enter the amount in the Amount field. Note: all AjeCoin wallet addresses begin with AJE and an underscore, followed by 40 alphanumeric characters. Please carefully check and confirm the recipient's address before completing the transaction, as transfers sent to an incorrect address are irreversible and cannot be traced. To receive tokens in your wallet, tap the Receive button. You'll be taken to a page displaying your wallet address and a QR code. On this page, you can either copy your address or share it with anyone or any platform you wish to receive tokens from. To grow or stake your tokens for rewards, tap the Explore Staking button or select the second button on the navigation bar. Once you're on the staking page, tap the plus icon to stake tokens. Then enter the amount you wish to stake. On the security page, you can view your seed phrase and also change your pins. To modify your wallet settings, tap the settings icon on the navigation bar. In the profile section, you can set your display name to your preferred one, as seen in this video. You can also set your preferred language in the language section. In the currency section, you can select your preferred currency, or the one used in your jurisdiction, to display AjeCoin equivalents in that currency. And if you are a lover of bright themes, you can change the default theme to a light one in the theme section. And that's it. You've successfully set up your AjeWallet and learned how to send, receive, stake, and manage your wallet settings. Enjoy using your wallet safely and securely. For more info, visit AjeCoin.io